Hello friends, welcome to my new channel Learning Curve. This is Shivangi Bhadoria pursued engineering from computer science. So friends, first of all I would like to introduce about my channel, that what exactly is this learning curve, what type of content you will get in my channel. So Learning Curve is an online tutorial channel which is related to computer science engineering, where we will learn RGBB subjects, that is all those subjects that we study in our engineering, in a very easy and detailed manner. Guys, I will also consider some important topics that is related to are many of the competitive exams of computer science like GATE, NET, ISRO, BARC and so many other PSUs. So friends, let me clear you what subjects we are going to study, what type of content you will get on my channel. So in this video series, we will consider below mentioned important subjects of computer science. We will start from compiler design. So firstly, I will upload the lecture series of compiler design, in which we will study from the basics of compiler, difficulties of parsing methods, construction of parsing table and its conflicts, directed acyclic graph, 3 address code representation, syntax directed translation and so on. Once we complete DCD, then we will understand what is digital electronics. In DCD, we will start from the number system and wind up this subject on flip-flops or counters. After digital electronics, I will upload the lecture series on operating system. In OS, we will understand what is the importance of operating system in our system, what type of threads, what type of processes and what are the functionalities of OS, what is inter-process communications, what is semaphores and so on. After operating system, we will understand what is database management system, why database management system is important for our real world environment, how database is being designed, what are the keys are used in designing database, what are transaction protocols, what are the properties of transaction and so on. After DBMS, I will upload the lectures on computer network. In computer network, we will understand that what are the transmission layers, why transmission layers are so much important for transmission of any data packet, what type of protocols are used while transmission of any packet, what is acknowledgement, what is sliding window protocol, what is IPv4, IPv6 protocols, what is SMTP and so on. After computer network, we will understand what is computer system organization, or I must say computer system architecture. In CSO, the most important topics are pipeline or hard disk, because generally questions have been asked in this particular field. So this subject or these topics are so much important for your university exam as well as for any other competitive exams. We will also understand what is addressing modes in this subject. Guys, once we complete these subjects, then you will have more topics. I will let you know about it in my videos. Friends, while we study any subject, then there are two phases in the subject. One is the theory part, another one is the numerical part. So we will also solve numerical questions along with this theory part, because numerical is the most important part of your any of the examination. So for this purpose, we will solve all the previous year question papers or sample papers that are given on the official website of RGBB. Along with this, we will also solve the questions that has been repeatedly asked in your competitive exams, because that part is most important for your GATE, NET, ISRO, BARC, PSUs, etc. And once we solve all these questions of previous year question paper, sample paper or the question that has been asked in competitive exams, I will also provide you some important questions that has been previously asked in these particular exams. For that, I will provide you link in my upcoming videos. Guys, after watching this video, let's move ahead because I am going to upload my lecture series and I will start from compiler design as I told in my previous slides. Friends, if you like this video, please hit the like button, make a comment and share it with your friends. And don't forget to subscribe my channel to get the latest notifications about my upcoming videos. So let's start study with learning curve. This is Shivangi Bhadoria. Stay home, stay safe. See you soon guys. Thanks for watching this video.